checking out another video by HaywireMedia. Today I'm going to show you how to insert fairy wings into your model. So this is how the end product will look after we add the wings. This is after the fairy wings, and I'll be showing you how to do that. So the fairy wings are for sale on my Etsy store. Go ahead and drag and drop the PNG file onto your picture you're going to insert them into. As you can see, we're going to have them under the model. And select the portion where the wings will be under. Copy and paste the square shape above the wings. I'm going to create a vector mask. Go ahead and grab your pen tool and make sure up here you have this selected. Just draw a rough outline around the model. Right click and create vector mask. And go ahead and add anchor points. Right click, add anchor point. You'd rather get more of the model than the background in the mask, so go in a little more. So there we go with that side. As you can see, we're going to have to fix the area here, especially the hair. So I'm going to copy and paste this section. Copy and paste it, and then drag it on top of the mask. I'm going to name it hair. And we're going to create a refine mask. Take this lasso tool here and go ahead and go around this area. This was the problem area. The vector mask would be too difficult to capture all of these fine lines. So go ahead and create a vector mask. And I like to hide these layers. Now that you have the mask selected, now go to your refine mask under select tools. Go ahead and erase the background. And it's pretty easy with the refine mask to remove it. There's some parts that won't erase, so I'm just going to do that by hand. Bring the model back. Now bring the wings to be visible. As you can see, there's still some issues right here with this. The refined mask wasn't able to get rid of this area, so I'm just going to use my eraser tool to erase it. Now I'm going to do the other side. So go ahead and take the fairy wing and duplicate it, and you're going to flip it, transform, flip horizontal. So now we're going to have to tweak the vector mask tool over on this side. And again, go in closer to the model, the hair rather than the background. It's better to get in closer. The You don't have to be 100% perfect right here because we're going to do the refine mask again on this side. The arm you should try to get in more carefully because there's more straight lines in this area. Okay, again we have some spots here. I'm going to take my pen tool and on the vector mask, make sure you're on the vector mask model. Or go ahead and draw some more points. You can use your up and down arrows to move the points easier. So just go ahead and do that. Again, you can spend more time and really get in there. Right now I'm not doing the isolation tutorial, but for now we have completed this side. We're going to duplicate the right portion. So edit, copy, and paste, bring it to the top. And we're going to do the refine mask again. So get the lasso tool over here and go ahead and do this part where the hair is. And I'm only doing this section because the vector mask tool is efficient enough to get this area. Now we create the mask. We're going to use the refine mask and erase. I'm only going up where the wings are going to be. I don't have to spend a lot of time up here because the wings are not going to be that high. There we go. Now that we have that done, little spot right here, I'm going to fix. I'm going to duplicate the vector mask and rasterize it. Hide the vector mask, make a new layer, and merge them together. So now it's going to be rasterized. There is no more mask anymore. Because I'm going to be erasing some of the edges here. So I'm just going to get a light eraser. Maybe make it 46 and 44, make it soft, and just lightly erase. Because with that vector mask tool, there were some hard lines that looked a little obvious. So right around here, I'm just erasing. And again, with the hair, you can go ahead and lightly just dabble. So it's kind of by hand. And then the other side, just kind of dabble. And go ahead and get that right around there. Last thing I like to do is erase a little bit of the wing at the bottom. So I'm going to get a big brush and just lightly erase. Kind of like there's almost a shadow. And then I do that on the other one, and it helps with the blend as well. And then I'll add overlay, blending mode, and I actually do it 2 times. So do it with the other side, overlay, and duplicate it. You don't have to do this, but it looks a little more vibrant. You can also do the second duplication on normal and then a low opacity. However you want to tweak that, you do normal and lower it. Okay, so there is the tutorial on adding fairy wings. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Make sure to check out more videos, and if you want to buy the fairy wings, please look at the link in the description.